Greetings and namaste, my name is AK, and I am a DV 2021 winner who has been affected by former President Trump's immigration ban and the COVID-19 related disruption. I'm only an observer when it comes to the diversity visa. I've launched a YouTube channel where I'll upload videos about the diversity visa. At the end of the video we'll explain further why I started with YouTube.
Now let's begin with the content of this video. As to lay knowledge, Mr. Krishna and Miss Supriya will be talking about the diversity visa, also known as the DV lottery or DV program.
Hey Krishna, can you briefly explain to me about the diversity visa? Many people refer to it as the DV lottery visa.
You are correct, Supriya. Many people refer to it in a variety of ways. In this video, however, we refer to it as the diversity visa program. Let me give you a brief introduction to help you grasp what is the diversity visa lottery and how does it work. The Immigration Act of 1990 reformed the legal immigration system by establishing three paths for people to enter the United States: family-sponsored, employment-based, and diversity-based. Former President George H.W. Bush signed the legislation into law, which was intended to modify the level and priority system for admission of immigrants to the United States, as well as provide for administrative naturalization.
Wow, interesting.
The Diversity Immigrant Visa Program offers 50,000 visas accessible to people from 6 continents through a lottery-based mechanism that selects applicants at random. The visas are distributed further by regions: Africa, Asia, Europe, North America, other than Mexico, Oceania and South America, Mexico, Central America, and the Caribbean. According to the legislation, countries that have had more than 50,000 natives immigrate to the United States in the previous 5 years are disqualified, and no country can receive more than 7% of the visas available.
Hey, if you like this content, follow AK in his journey at the theDVObserver presents a video and shorts related to the diversity visa.
The bill established an annual limit on immigration, limiting the number of immigration-based visas available each year. It had little impact on asylum and refugee immigration routes. Based on a lottery, lawful permanent resident (LPR) status under this program is available. Individuals from countries with a low enough percentage of immigrants to the United States can apply for visas at specific times each year based on a formula. The majority of lottery winners live outside the United States, but a few are legally present in the country on different visas. The program is managed by the US Department of State and registration is free. The program opens in October of every year and ends in approximately November of each year. Applicants can only have one entry per opening. However, they can have their entry again as derivatives if they have a legal spouse. Diversity visa winners must have at least a high school diploma or equivalent, as well as at least 2 years of experience working in a job that needs at least 2 years of training or experience within 5 years of the application date. Individuals are chosen at random for visas, but they must still meet the security and eligibility conditions that all immigrants must meet to obtain their visas.
Wow, interesting.
The process also includes an in-person visa interview. A State Department information handout for applicants states, to immigrate, DV selectees must be admissible to the United States. The DS-260 online immigrant visa and alien registration application, electronically, and the consular officer, in person, will ask you questions about your eligibility to immigrate under US law. These questions include criminal and security-related topics. All diversity visa program applicants must be found eligible for and obtain their visa or adjust status by the end of the fiscal year. The visa bulletin will let you know when you can submit your application.
Okay, so what next then?
If all goes well, you will eventually receive a visa issue. Soon, you will be able to live in the United States with green card status. The official United States Department of State website, dvprogram.state.gov, has instructions on how to apply for the diversity visa program. Hope that makes you all clear, Supriya. And to those watching this video,
Thank you for explaining it, Krishna, and for all the viewer, thank you for watching this video content till the end. Now, AK will be taking further ahead with this video.
Remember, I am an ordinary DV winner guy. I agree that I am completely self-sufficient in sharing my experiences and sources of information freely available online in a good faith, to assist you all in carefully assessing your problems and helping you make logical judgments. The videos, tweets, and Facebook posts should not be construed as legal advice, and in the end, each of you will have to make your judgments and bear the consequences. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Twitter if you want to be a part of my diversity visa journey. Keep your notification on for new diversity visa updates in the form of videos and shorts.
Please let us know in the comments section below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Good day, and yes, don't forget to check our other videos related to the diversity visa.